Here we have a 1997 Case Canoe. It has a purplish blue Appaloosa bone on it with the double XX oval shield. You can see by the stamp there on the first blade that the stamp indicates the year of 1990 to 1999, and with the two dots there we see that that is 97. And then here is the pile side, the back side. On the back side of the smaller blade, we have the number 62131. And the first number 6 indicates that the handle material is bone. Second number 2 indicates the number of blades, 2 blades. And the last 3 digits is the style, 131. That is a canoe. Open it up and wipe the blades down so that we can take a good look of it open. Zoom out here. That is it fully open. It has stainless steel blades that we can see on the back of the second blade, with the SS there under the number. Has really good snaps, and with the brass liners in it. Looks really good in the lot. And that's it.